Sociology. Questions and answers. Let's play to know. Part 6. Are you ready? Question number 1. Which of the following is not identified by Fulcher and Scott as a criterion of community? Option A. A shared sense of identity and belonging together. B. Common activities involving all-round relationships. C. A fixed geographical location. Correct answer is option C, a fixed geographical location. Question number 2. Which of the following is predicted to be a major influence on cities during the next 50 years? Option A. Pollution. B. The Internet. C. Urban renewal. Correct answer is option B, the Internet. Question 3. According to Riley Dunlap, which one of the following is not a basic function that the natural environment serves for humans? A. The environment provides the resources essential for life. B. The environment serves as a waste depository. C. The environment provides a natural setting for social inequalities. Correct answer is option C. The environment provides a natural setting for social inequalities. According to Gerald Suttles, a gated community would be an example of an options A. Edge city. B. Defended neighborhood. C. Urban enclave. Correct answer is option B. Defended neighborhood. According to Herbert Guns, residents who remain in the city to take advantage of the unique cultural and intellectual benefits of the city are called A. Cosmopolites. B. Ethnic villagers. C. Urban villagers. Correct answer is option A. Cosmopolites. The world urbanization rate is rising highly. It was 49% in 2005 and is likely to be 60% till A. 2015. B. 2020. C. 2030. Correct answer is option C. 2030. New urbanism was a movement started in 1980s decreasing dependency on A. Each other. B. Vehicular transportation. C. State. Correct answer is option B. Vehicular transportation. Agriculture cannot absorb the population concentration of human activities and settlements around the downtown areas when the residential area shifts outward. This is called options A. Other occupations. B. Urbanization. C. Development. Correct answer is option B. Urbanization. A group of people with the same or related occupations is usually termed as A. Professional community. B. Workplace community. C. Secondary group. Correct answer is option A. Professional community. Division of labor, social class, formal government institutions and system of trade and commerce all are peculiar to any. Options A. Urban community. B. Rural community. C. Both A and B. Correct answer is option A. Urban community. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you will get knowledge about all competitive exams. New videos posted every day.